Good afternoon, everyone. This is David with Bolivar Live. Well, I thought I'd take you on a little trip. In fact, we're turning on 18th Street, heading down actually to the boat ramp. I want to show you a lot of people this time of year want to go crabbing and fishing. And we've got the North Jetties, which is free to crab and fish off of. And then if you have a boat, there's actually a boat ramp one block over. The North Jetties is on 17th. And one block over on 18th is a little area that is between the jetties and Fort Travis. It's pretty neat. I go down there quite a bit to look at the ships and see what's coming in and out. And that's where we're heading now. And so bear with me a little bit. I thought I'd take you through this fine neighborhood down here. And this is the Pilsner Boat Ramp. And you can see the sign there on the left, right there. I don't know if you can read it or not. But anyway, this is the Pilsner Boat Ramp. And there you can see parking for your boat and trailer there on the left. And then let's head down in here and you'll see the ramp and see the view. The view's spectacular. And the beach, easy access to the beach. In fact, it's packed in right now. There you can see there's actually some people down here already enjoying the boat ramp. And I was here a little bit earlier and they're crabbing and fishing, doing a little bit of everything. And I'm going to turn over here and then I'm going to turn back. There you can see the North Jetties, and that's an easy walk to, a great place to fish. They've got a little beach in between that looks clean, no seaweed on it, and then you can see the rock growing between it. And I'm going to back up now and take you around. There you can see the boat ramp, and they've got plenty of room to turn around. Just watch out for sandbars though. I haven't used this boat ramp in years and years, and I know they've dug it out. And so if you're going to launch down here, if anyone knows anything about it, it's a real easy trip to the North Jetties because it's right at the base of the North Jetties. But now you can see the view. We're going to pull in here and shoot down this beach so you can see what it's like over here. And there you can see a seagoing barge out there, and it looks like there's a truck down there. But let me pull in here and you can see this beach, beautiful beach over here. And so that wall you see is actually Fort Travis. And so you can imagine what the view, in fact, this is where the swimmers swim for the Bolivar Live Triathlon, and it's coming up. We're going to have some more information on it. It's easy access in, there's no waves, very little tide movement when you're swimming. And so talking to the lady from the triathlon, Tina, that puts on with I Try events, she said a lot of people really love this swim here because it's like swimming in a lake. And so, but this is, you can see the beach they take off of, and they've got markers out for this. And the beach is in great shape down here. And actually, you can drive on this without any problems. I know a lot of people come down here on weekends, and every once in a while you'll see some people camping for the weekend here. But just wanted to show you this. We come down here every once in a while and show the view because it's a beautiful view, of especially if you get down here and there's a lot of ships out setting. This is the anchorage area. A lot of them get fuel and stuff here, and so a lot of times you'll see a beautiful view out here. There, I don't know if you can see it off to the left, a ship. We're zoomed in about as much as we can with this camera, but you can see the rock jetties here at the boat ramp and see what it's like. And a lot of room down here. Got a dock where you can tie your boat up whenever you're launching it or bringing it out. There's no fish cleaning station down here, but great place to bring kids too, because it's real easy access if you're wanting to go crabbing, or you can go over to the North Jetties and crab over there. But this down here is just, it's so easy access. You can back your vehicles up, crab along the rocks there, fish along the rocks. A lot of people will go wade fishing. So just wanted to show you another option if you're down here, whether it's for a weekend getaway, maybe you're making a day trip down here to enjoy time with some family and friends for the day, enjoy a fresh seafood dinner at one of our area restaurants. Heck, you can go to Jose's. They're at 1021 Highway 87. I want to thank Jose's for sponsoring this Bolivar Live feed and everything they do in the community. Like I always say, I've known the kids since they were little, and I'm watching them grow up now and actually help Dad run the restaurant. In fact, I think Dad's hoping they'll take over the restaurant at some point so he can relax and enjoy life. But there's the view from down here. Turn on 18th Street to get to the boat ramp. Turn on 17th Street to get to the North Jetties, and enjoy some time down here fishing and crabbing with family and friends. If you're crabbing an adult, you will need a saltwater fishing license, and you can get those online at Texas Parks and Wildlife website. Just look up Texas Fishing License online, and you can buy them online. We're gonna head on out. I hope you enjoyed the show. Hopefully summer hasn't got away from you and you can spend some time down here on the upper Texas coast and enjoy our 27 miles of beachfront paradise. Sorry the camera's, I'm operating it by hand today and I got the jitters. So anyway, power's back on everywhere that I know of down here on Bolivar. Sorry we couldn't get an update from Energy, but I guess they only work 8 hours a day or 9 hours a day, because the spokesperson told me this morning I was asleep. There's no one you can call. You need to look at the map. Well, that's funny, because the map told me it was a transformer, and I don't think that's not what I was told it was. But anyway, power's back on down here, and we're looking for a great day ahead and great weekend ahead. So anyway, we're gonna head on out. Hope you enjoyed the show. Until next time, I'm David with Bolivar Live. Y'all have a great day, great week. Come see us. God bless, and bye-bye.